A new opportunity to be an advocate for your own health recently arrived in Houston. The new clinic offers a full body scan, and several patients tell us it was a real lifesaver for them.
So results we say take up to 15 business days.
Prenuvo has expanded to Houston now, so anyone can schedule a whole body scan without a doctor's referral. The MRI can detect more than 500 conditions.
Our goal is to have people walk in healthy, stay healthy, live long, prosperous, and healthy lives. And we do believe that there every day are numerous instances where the things that we're finding are letting patients seek care and their lives are saved. It's a welcoming environment. It's a spa-like environment. It's designed for patients. We say patients, often we think of patients as someone who's already sick. These are sort of patient consumers. These are people who are still, they're not sick, they're choosing to come in, and, we want them to have an environment that doesn't make them feel sick, it makes them feel healthy.
John Correttis sure is relieved to be back on the links after getting scanned and then immediately undergoing treatment.
That scan right there really saved my life, because by the time we got to the doctors and everything got it okay, my neurologist said if that would have gone out of the kidney, I probably would have had a year to live.
He had been to doctor after doctor with symptoms of bloating and couldn't find the answer through typical exams or blood tests. He found through his Prenuvo scan that it was clear cell carcinoma of the kidney causing his symptoms.
According to my neurologist, that's one of the seven worst cancers you can have, because once it gets out of the kidney, it's like chasing a ghost.
His scan also alerted him about an aneurysm that he'll have to closely monitor, but no treatment needed. John's wife is relieved he's okay after having the affected kidney removed. She now shares advice to anyone with unexplained health problems.
Be so aggressive with your own health and be so proactive and ask questions, demand results, demand second opinions. And Prenuvo, you don't need a doctor's referral to go to Prenuvo. You can call them up and make an appointment, and you can go in there and take control.
She ended up getting a body scan as well and took care of medical concerns after receiving her results.
San Francisco and Dallas.
Carly Brown was relieved to get a clean bill of health after her scan.
In November 2019, I was diagnosed with metastatic thyroid cancer when I was 33 years old. And I was working with a functional medicine practitioner, and I wanted to ensure that it hadn't gone into my lungs or chest. And so instead of going to get a PET scan, I was concerned about the radiation from a PET scan. She was the one who recommended that I go get a Prenuvo scan.
At the time, Prenuvo wasn't in Texas, so she traveled for help.
That peace of mind that comes from knowing exactly what's going on in your body is absolutely priceless. So I do my scan every single year. First time I flew to San Francisco, the second time I went to Dallas, and now I'll get to go to the Houston one, which is even closer to Austin for me.
TV show host Maria Menounos opened up in People magazine about Prenuvo helping save her life. After undergoing the full body scan, she discovered she had early stage pancreatic cancer. That's typically diagnosed at late stage because it usually doesn't cause symptoms or often gets misdiagnosed.
Every life we save is a privilege. It's a special privilege when it's someone who has so much impact on the world like Maria. And the fact that she's chosen to share her story and bring that to so many other people, it makes us extremely proud of what we do.
The scans range from $999 to $2,500. Now, that last patient I talked to, Carly, is working with a nonprofit trying to help others get a free scan. We have all that info on how to contact her on our website at fox26houston.com. While flexible spending accounts and health savings accounts can be used to pay for it, Maria Menounos is also raising awareness to try to get insurance companies to cover the cost.